Yo, y'all see where my keys went?
You lost your keys?
Yeah.
So you mean to tell me after all this walking up and down hills, you lost your keys?
Nah, I don't see. No, you're not playing. I don't see the keys.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You real deal lost your keys, bro?
Or
Nah, you lying, right?
it's a prank.
You lying, bro?
Oh, it feels nice in here.
He speaks English like it's his third language, bro.
It feels nice in here, bro. Oh, they got BMW. Oh, they got the BMW sports shirt. Yeah, let's go to the. You gonna look for that fashion drip? This is where they got all the expensive shit, bro.
On this side?
Or well, just the store in general.
Oh.
Well, this side, yeah. Yeah.
I'm a fan of his.
Hold up.
I'm your fan.
I don't know, you guys see this fashion drip right here, man?
It's good, bro.
Yo, alright guys, so looks like we failed to do the public interview, but I think I'm gonna pull a little prank on my boys, right? So basically, when we get back to the whip, I'm gonna act like, yo, I lost my keys somewhere, yo. So it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna try to get like a reaction, bro. We're gonna get like a crazy reaction from these guys, man. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yo, these look nice. This bag's is hella big.
Yeah, I'm going next month.
Yeah.
No, I'm joking. Yeah.
What?
I mean, you know, you gotta save up,
That's
pay the
crazy.
debts, and then go on vacation. You know,
That's
you know what I
fucking
mean?
crazy. Yo.
It goes deeper than just a misunderstanding.
I know, like some dude. It's like.
Oh no, I'm talking about like political stuff, like working. What would you say? You want me to hold it?
Vlog.
Hey.
So,
hey.
all right, guys. So this public opinion.
So we took a L today. That's what you're trying to say.
We took an L today. This public interview was.
Fat L, yo.
But it's all good because we was vibing. You feel me?
Yo,
Yeah, we got
positive vibes all the way.
positive vibes. Yeah.
Yeah.
But see, we had fun though. We got our jokes in, even though they weren't caught on camera. But we got our jokes in.
Yeah.
Shit.
Just caught a vibe at the park, whatever. Point it to me. That's crazy.
Come on, huh?
Oh, we in the right street.
Anybody be on YouTube, movie?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Show me. Yo, that's that black magic, bro.
Hey.
Black magic, baby.
Wait, was this the street?
Yeah, this is the street, bro. Why, your car got snatched?
Nah, I doubt it, yo. I doubt it.
It's the last one right there, yo.
Yo, Cobra was what?
Like you imagine,
Yo, that's crazy.
you imagine it got towed or some shit.
Where's my whip?
Damn. See, cause they seen you parallel park and they're like, nah, we gotta take this car from him. Yo, he ain't deserve this car.
I'm saying, yo. Shit. Alright.
Yo, we might as well just start freestyling on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you got them bars, yo.
Oh, absolutely not. I'm not blessed with that.
You're not blessed with that,
No, not yet.
bruh. What we doing?
Yo, y'all see where my keys went?
Oh shit! You lost your keys?
Yeah.
So you mean to tell me after all this walking up and down hills, you lost
Nah,
your
I don't
keys?
see. No, you're not playing. I don't see the keys.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Check your pockets, bro.
You didn't leave them inside your car.
Nah, I checked my pockets already.
Back pocket? What's back?
I was just checking the bag.
We could just retrace our steps.
If anything, you probably left it at the car.
Yeah,
The park.
at the
Yo.
view. We gotta think. What are all the
we
places?
did, yo.
What are all the places that you sat down in today?
The park, the little bench thing at Baha's.
You real deal lost the keys, bro?
Or bro, we gotta go back, yo.
Clearly.
Are you sure you put them in your pocket though?
No, I did. No, I thought I did, yo. But it could have been the back. I don't know.
Yo, look through this window.
Shit.
Yo, this dude really trying
But
to
that's easy, yo. Hold up. Shit's crazy.
Alright, looks like we gotta walk back.
That's crazy. We gotta walk, bro.
Damn.
Damn, nah. I gotta find them shits, yo. No cap, bro. I gotta find them shits.
Bags, yo. We can't.
That's crazy.
We can't just leave the car.
That's
Damn.
crazy.
I feel like we jinxed it with the whole towing, yo.
Bro.
Now we really gonna get.
Yo. I bet they were in Sneaker Junkies because I was emptying out like some stuff in my bag, yo.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Do it back. Work your way backwards. We're gonna go to the sneaker place first, then the benches over here, and then the park.
The park? Nah, the park's gonna be like a long ass walk, yo.
Yeah, but
damn.
We might as well. Cause
We gotta go.
If you can't whip it, you might as well.
Yo.
Whip it
2 feet. That's crazy. Yo.
Jeez, on the day you're wearing your sneaks for the first time.
I know. I came dripped out too, man. I lost my keys, guys. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
That's 2 L's in there.
That's
I know, bro. How come every time we go to Thanksgiving it's an L, bro? I don't know.
I don't know. That's crazy. Fuck.
Is there anything on the
Just my gym card.
Your gym card.
My gym card. My Planet Fitness card.
So it's just a key and
Nah, not like the house keys or anything like that. So I keep it like separate. Yeah.
You do got your house keys though on you, right?
Yeah, I got the house keys for sure.
Alright.
But
I didn't see you pull them out like
yeah, because it's like, it's not even my whip either.
Oh, even
It's my mom's whip, bro. So I gotta find that shit.
bro.
Damn. It was probably at Sneaker Junkies. Shit.
Alright, so we'll find it.
Yeah. Let's check over there real quick.
Wait, but why'd you empty out your stuff at
No, because that was when I was switching my batteries. I was looking for my extra battery for the vlog.
Alright.
Yeah.
I can see how
Yeah.
it has.
So we'll just go that way.
It's up to you.
Yeah. Yeah, I know there's a prank, right?
Nah, you lying, right?
There's a prank.
you lying, bro?
I should smack your ass for that, bro.
There's people wrong. I'm gonna talk to you guys right now.
Wow. I gotta run it, bro. Yo.
Bro.
Yo,
I got the keys. I got the keys.
That's some bullshit.
Yo.
I
Yo.
the camera on.
Just
Get the
call me
camera
up.
on this
know.
one.
I was gonna ask you like, I was gonna turn off the camera and be like, all right, let's do this.
Nah, I played it smart. 'Cause I had this kid hold the camera, yo. Just so it didn't really look like
Man, you
I was faking it. Damn. Nah, that was my first prank though.
That's your first prank?
Yo. I got y'all. I got you good.
You feel successful, bro?
Got you good.
At least
Are you gonna go to sleep happy
Shit,
tonight?
I'm that nigga, bro.
Oh my, you that nigga now.
At least it was like a light one. It wasn't like,
Shit.
oh, like I got shot or some shit like that.
This was like literally off the fly.
Yo,
Yeah.
Let me just.
I was like, okay.
yeah, yo, watch your car not start.
Now had y'all walk, yo, but yo, how would y'all feel if we had walked all the way down the park and I waited till then to say, oh, it's a prank?
You better pretend you found it at the park.
Yeah. Cause I swear, bro.
Shit.
Bro, the nonsense that been coming out my mouth, bro.
Oh, she got a nice whip, yo. Shit.
Let's not pretend that she brought that whip, okay? Let's
Yeah.
Yo.
I still hate your ass, yo. Making me walk.
No reason. Yo, my toes hurt.
Yo. That's crazy.
I have toe pain, bro.
Man. Yo, let me get a thumbnail for my video.
What you?
I need a thumbnail for my video, yo.
Oh,
We're gonna act like we lost the keys, yo. Hold up.
Wait, have me searching through the bag.
Here's what we do. I mean, I'ma point it. Y'all gonna stand over here. Y'all gonna act like y'all mad or something. Like, yo, I want Daniel to like go like this or something. Like, hold up. All right. Hold up. I got it. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Dude, I wanted to jump you as soon as you said it was a prank, bro.
I thought, bro.
I was like, yo, these white people.
I wanted to take the camera and be like, yo, this shit mine.
You get robbed by a Dominican nigga. I don't care what you say.
Yeah, bro. You better pay me some platinum.
Alright, we got.
It got me living like my last days. It's in my pathways. Maybe niggas wouldn't fuck with me on bad days. I ain't had this chain before I had weight. Sorry, baby, I can't make that back way. I gotta get it while I'm living.